Do you want to make professional videos in few minutes, without hiring an expensive freelancer, that requires thousands of dollars and a lot of time? Let's see. The first thing you need to do, is to open your favorite browser, click on the address bar, and go to InVideo.io. You can also check the video description for the special link, which will give you 25% off. Once you're here, you can see the banner at the top showing 14 days of free premium features. Click Try for free to create an account. If you already created an account, then click Login. Okay, let us give you a walkthrough. At the top left, you can see the logo. From the categories, you can select from the pre-made templates that best suits your needs. From the content, you can see their blogs, shows and inside working. From the tutorials, you can see the beginner's guides to learn using something. Or just click Let us guide you, to learn from scratch. From the favorites you can see your favorite template. From the projects, you can see your previous work, by clicking on Profile. You will get all your basic profile details. You can see here, pre-made templates. They currently have more than 4,000 templates with newly added frequently. From text to video, you can convert your text to a video in more than 50 themes, or you can just create a blank canvas to start from scratch. From the search field, you can make a quick template search according to your need. From here, you can select the dimension of the video like widescreen, square, and vertical. Just below that, you can see the suggestions of current trending templates that you might like. If you still have doubts about using something, then you can click this small chat icon, to chat with the support team about your issue. So we are going to start from the blank canvas. Then we would select the widescreen as the dimension. And then we'll click Make a Video. Here is the work screen, where you can create your stuff. The left side contains all the tools. From the Templates section, you can select the pre-made templates sorted by different categories. From the Uploads section, you can upload your desired media to use on your video. From the Video section, you can use high-quality iStock and premium video clips. From the Image section, you can use high-quality iStock and Bing.com searched images. From the Music section, you can use music with different genre. You can also add hundreds of different types of text to your video. From the Folders section, you can create your own folder to store your desired files. From the Stickers section, you can add different types of animated and non-animated stickers to your video. For example, let's see this. Changing the background, so we can see the text clearly. Clicking play to see how it looks. From the Overlays section, you can add transaction overlay on the top of your video. For example, let's select this, and see how it looks. Great. From the Shapes section, you can add different shapes to your video. From the Masks section, you can add a particular media inside the given shapes. Here inside this heart shape, You can add your desired media, like this image. And you can see the images inside the heart shape. From the collage section, you can make a collage of different images. From the social section, you can create a scene, or a widget from your social profiles. If you're still having issues using some features, then you can chat with their support team for the solution. Okay, this is the preview screen. This is the timeline, containing all your added scenes with proper timestamp. With extra details like overlays, text, logo, sticker, background, music and much more. This duration display. And this is scene duration. This is best scene time. And this is the zoom that allows you to zoom in and zoom out to your timeline, giving you better control over your work screen. This is the voiceover button. That allows you to add text-to-speech, your own audio file, voiceover file, or you can also record your own voice. This is the scene button that allows you to add blank scene or a template scene, duration display and scene duration, best scene and zoom. This is scene duration, best scene. You can delete this scene but only when there is another one. You can duplicate this scene. And also open scene timeline. You can add scenes to the timeline by clicking this scene button. This window is to modify your current overlays and more. For example, by clicking the logo, you can remove background and much more. This is undo and redo. This show if changes are saved. This is download and share. This is your profile, containing basic profile options. Let's create an intro video for a YouTube video. For that we are going to use a pre-made template. This seems good. By use this template option. You can open this template on a different window. But we want to open the template on the same window. So click on that template. And then again click on that. And then click yes. Now we can delete this blank scene. Here, what we have to do is to just make some changes, like background, logo, and the text. First we'll change text. That is channel name. On the preview screen, click on the text, and replace it with your desired one. Lastly, we just have to change logo. So we just click on it. You can remove the background of the logo, but that's optional. To replace the logo with your desired one, just go to the image, and drag it to the logo on the preview screen. You'll have two options. To replace it, or to add it as a layer. Just select replace. Let's play it to see how it looks. You can expand the duration of the video, or you can add different music to it. Let's download it. You can download it in 720p or 1080p. We'll select 1080p, and click export. It will take few seconds to render it. Till it gets completed, let's change the name of the project. Video is rendered. You can preview it. You can download it. Or share it directly to social media platforms. You can also duplicate the same video in different dimensions, without redoing the same thing. So that is something really amazing. For now, just download it. And see how it looks. So, this is all in this video. We hope you liked it. Please do check out the video description, where you will get 25% off for InVideo Premium account, through our special link. Thanks for watching.